Hey, what's going on everybody? So before we get into the long range flight, I just want to go over exactly what I use. Now for the drone, I used the Chimera 7, and then I used a 8,000 milliamp battery from iFlight, and I love these batteries. The amount of flight time that you can get with these things is pretty ridiculous. And then I was just using the DJI V2 goggles and the DJI controller too. It was filmed on a GoPro Hero 12, and if you're curious about settings, I actually have another video out about my GoPro settings if you wanted to check that out. Anyways, without further ado, let's get to the flight. How far away are these? They seem pretty far. If you notice in the video, there's just a little bit of jello, and the reason for that is because my propellers were a little bit chipped and just had some minor damage on them, and that is going to cause a little bit of jello in your footage. So keep that in mind if you're flying, but that is the reason why there is that little bit of jello. Oh boy, we're getting up there. We are getting up there. Whew. I'm gonna try and see if I can wrap around kind of at the top. Kind of get a view of the ocean here. Oh boy, this is pretty far. This might be the furthest I've taken this drone. All right, so I'm gonna turn around here and do that same loop back here. Just kind of ooh. Okay, going down the ridge. Okay, coming down here. Whew. All right, gotta stay a little bit higher. Keep the connection. And then one more ridge this way. All right, I can hear it now. So I'm gonna drop it down. Whoosh. Boom. Still going down. Show off the mountain. Watch those wires. Boom. Back to the van. Shoosh. And up. Fucking sweet. Oh my gosh. Oh boy, that was kind of nerve-wracking. I've never taken this drone that far. Super nerve-wracking. All right, where are we at? Oh, okay, found myself. Now we can land. We got some beeping issues. Not really sure why. Put it like right there. Good enough. Perfect spot where I figured there's no rocks. But holy shit, that was so sick. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Damn. That was
That was really sweet.
Thank you guys so much for checking this out. If you have any questions about my gear or any questions about camera settings or anything like that, please don't hesitate to leave those comments down below. I will try and answer every single one of them. Also, I just updated my Patreon, so if you guys do want to go check that out, there are a few different tiers to choose from. This is the really only... To me, this is the absolute best way to support the channel. I have some tiers in there that offer either some guidance or some help with cinematography or videography or photography or whatever it is. I would also be happy to talk about FPV on some of those one-on-one sessions if you do go check that out. Anyways, that's going to be it from me. Again, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.